Hi sir, my name is Nandhu. I live in Qatar now. I took a long break in my career, so I need to develop my language. Last 2-3 weeks back, uh, uh, when I talked with my friend Kirti, she was telling that she's doing this course. So I thought of a plan. I also decided to join here, and after completing this course with with so much practice, I am sure that I can do better. I can do better. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Nadhu here. Speaking English has always been my dream, and today I am being able to speak my success story is something like my dream come true moment. I should say a course which not only designed the way I speak but also the way I love its fluency building mastery sessions by Shaiju sir. It was really a life changing experience for me. It has made a big difference in my life in terms of introducing some powerful habits that get my life back on track. Like most of the people, I've been addicted to social media. I've been wasting my time by watching unuseful videos in YouTube and by spending a lot of time in Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms. But once I settled my goal of learning English, I've started to grab all these opportunities to be fluent in English, including social media. Thankfully, I opted one of the best online English institutions in town, and it has given me a feeling of complete security that it's possible to progress and learn good English by following the correct steps. While I was attending the classes after each tenses, I took the hard copies of all exercises and I made sure to thorough what I had learned in each tenses and its uses in different contexts. I read all the exercises in particular tense combinations again and again, and I've started to use this in my daily conversations. One of my major hurdles in proper language communication was the fear of speaking wrong, the feeling that I might say something grammatically wrong and be a joke in front of people stop me even from trying. But after I learned this usage of all tenses, I've started building inside me what I call intuition, which gives me immense confidence that what I am going to communicate is correct or I would convey my thoughts perfectly. Mastering these grammar rules has developed my confidence to speak this language more better. At the same time, I have started to work on my reading, listening, speaking, and writing, which are very crucial to learn a language. I've started to read some good books suggested by Shaiju sir. Reading helps me to see how the grammar works, and I always try to choose something that I'm interested in. And I find short stories, simple books, simple novels, famous personalities, autobiographies, my son's comic books, subjects books, and even emails, social media feeds, or everything that suits my current level of English. Slowly, I've started to understand the tone of writer and how they deal with the grammar aspects and the usage of tenses, languages, subjects, verbs, generally the areas where people usually mess up in. And while reading newspapers in the beginning, it was more like looking up for the words in dictionary than reading the content. But now I'm able to understand virtually almost everything to an extent. For the listening part, what I have done is to listen all day by looking at what is happening around me in the street, in the shopping mall, in the restaurant, and wherever I go. Because it is really easy for me as I live in abroad. I've started to watch English animated movies and cartoons with my kids. I feel where English vocabulary is somewhat simple and accent is easy to go with when compared to the live English action movies. And also I've started to watch some English YouTube channels which covers my areas of interest like beauty, cooking, and travel related vlogs. I believe that reading and listening are the input of writing output. My simplest way of practicing writing is to make simple notes, which could be my day to day activities or my feelings summed up or anything. When I have started to put my knowledge into practice, I noticed immense change in me. I do record videos every day and I check whether it sounded like how it should have been, and I find the errors in pronunciation and I repeat the process until I'm sure it is perfect. and it really gives me a realistic experience of speaking English to someone. I try to practicing often with so many different people as possible, and also I take the advantage of native speakers in my community. Even now, I spend a specific amount of time in my daily schedule to converse in English with my family. I create my own platform for live English speaking sessions by talking to my kids. I don't miss a chance of speaking or communicating in English. For example, while going shopping and while visiting friends, functions at home, restaurant, everywhere. Because I believe that speaking in English is the best way to learn this language more fast. There is no better substitute than this. In my understanding, we should not wait until we feel more comfortable in this language. We don't reach that level for a long time. Push ourselves out of our comfort zone and start speaking in English. We will be amazed at how quickly our language skills improve. And I hope these words helps you in some way to achieve your goals. And thank you, Shaiju sir, once again for being my guide and inspiration throughout my journey. Thank you so much.